Rigid bunding traditionally is a solid or polyethylene plastic used to contain large drums from IBCs, 205 litre drums, 25 litre drums, and as the name suggests, rigid means they're very limited in what they can do. They're in areas that are permanent structures, if you like. Whereas the flexibles themselves, they offer you, as the name suggests, the flexibility. They can be used on a number of different locations where rigid bunding is just not practical. So in areas where you would use them would be places where mobility is essential. Places like defence, where they're out in the field. And they have a lot of oils, equipment or chemicals out in the field and they may need to bund it. That's a perfect opportunity to use a flexible product. The product can be folded up, put onto a truck and then taken to location, pulled out on location, and then the liquids that are required bunding are put inside it. Forestry is another industry that often have fuels on site. Out in the forest where bunding just isn't practical, and obviously drill sites or mining sites where mining is done or drilling is done, and it's just not practical and friendly to the environment to build something where a location will be transient. So these are ideal products for that type of environment. The sizes that they come in basically is you build it, you give us a size and we can build it. They range from anything from as simple as a 205 litre drum that may need to be sitting out on its own, right through to large mining trucks that may need cleaning on site, over 33,000 litres in size, and even beyond that. It's a fabric material and it's manufactured to suit any size and any bund requirement. Heavy vehicles are absolutely suitable for heavy vehicles. As long as we can come up with a flat surface, we would generally put a ground sheet down, the bunding on top of that, and possibly a sheet on top to protect it. But they will take any size, any weight vehicle that's required. And with our drive-in and drive-out system, any heavy vehicle would be suitable with the flexibles. The N-Pack flexibles are new to the Australian market. The design of a flexible is unique in that it can be simply pulled apart, laid flat, then put together on site. What they have is a system that simply comes in and out in design, so that you can lay it flat, drive a vehicle over the top, and then simply put the unit back together and form the bund wall around to suit any application. The solid wall gives you a nice solid bund, and then the material is designed to suit the chemical that it needs to bund as well.